Hello. That was an amazing intro, I know. Just the best quality. Everything's great from iPhone. Amazing intro, I know. Thank you. I'm gonna get my Oscar afterwards. So let me introduce myself. I'm McCain Jackson, M. Jackson. The video is just about weird scenarios that I think about and how paranoid I am. It's weird. Could be funny. Could. But really, enjoy it. I don't know. Do whatever you want. First one, getting hit on when I'm eating. Yes, that's the thing. Is when I'm eating. Any other time, it's okay, but when I'm eating, I'm afraid.
This bread is so good. I love this bread. Oh, I'm just chilling. Just eating my food, you know. I'm just, oh, who is that? Okay. Oh, he's coming. Oh my god, he's coming. I'm like, okay, girl, just chill next to me. He's just leaving. I'm like, oh my god, he's coming here. Oh shit. Oh, okay, I gotta fix myself. Okay. Hi. Did this fool just take my food? Oh no, he didn't.
Number two, getting kidnapped. I'm kidnapping you! I am!
What are you waiting for? Put your hands up! Put them up! Now go to bed! Yeah! Go to bed! Go! Take your covers! Put your head on the pillow! Now! Night! Go! Now! Quick! Go!
The third one is being stalked. Now this one actually happened. Long story short, that person was stalking me at school. So I'd see them every time after each and one of my classes, just waving and just staring at me or just smiling weirdly. And he followed me home, but not exactly to my house. It's just he took buses when I knew that he didn't live in my area, and he took them all the time. But he was staring at me too. So in my mind I was like, there's Waldo, you are not usually in this bus. It's weird. It's weird. So that was my video. I know, terrible. But I really hope that you enjoyed it. It was pretty fun doing it. I really enjoyed being myself. It wasn't that bad. So, goodbye.